On behalf of Top Notch Foundation, I extend a very warm and hearty welcome to all present here at the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Inspiration Awards 2024. Can we all start with a round of applause? I'm your host Prerna, and I'm delighted and privileged to play host to such an accomplished audience. And as a good host should, I would like to thank each one of you for taking the time out and joining us for this award ceremony. Today, as we all know, is a momentous and proud occasion for all of us as we gather here for the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Inspiration Awards 2024. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, known as the Missile Man and the People's President, taught us through his life that it takes courage and determination to dream and achieve those dreams. Inspired by his ideals, we are here today to celebrate and recognize the remarkable achievements of all of you present here. And now it is time to introduce one of the best branding companies in India, Top Notch Foundation. They are the foremost provider of high-end market research to the world's leading industry, with a sustainable competitive advantage arising from the strong brand, unmatched credibility, market leadership across businesses, large customer base. We deliver analysis, opinion, solution that makes market function better. We also take this opportunity to thank our telecast and magazine partners. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll begin the event by listening to the experiences of some of the esteemed awardees. Can we please welcome him on the dais? He is Managing Director, Labad Cancer Hospital.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Saqib Shamim, Managing Director of Labad Cancer Hospital and Super Specialty Center and Deputy Managing Director, Labad Group, based in Bangladesh. And we have expanded our business in different areas such as healthcare, health tech, diagnostic centers, molecular imaging in Bangladesh, Dubai, Saudi Arabia. So I'm really glad to receive this award, and I'm really honored, and I'm truly blessed that this award goes to my family, my wife, and all of my employees. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mr. H. Sankaraman. Yes, sir. Can we all please welcome him? He's Managing Director, Sanlek Excitation Systems Private Limited.
Good evening to Honorable Chief Guest and distinguished Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Inspiration Award winners and other people of eminence. My name is Shankar Raman. It is with deep sense of honor and gratitude I stand before you as MD of Sanlek Excitation Systems, Bengaluru. Thanks to Top Notch Foundation for recognizing us and giving us this award. This esteemed gathering to be graced by union ministers and members of parliament and other innovative industrialists reflects the importance of excellence and innovation in various fields which drive our nation forward. Sanlek Excitation Systems was founded by me in the year 1998. We manufacture AVR and excitation systems using maximum of indigenous components, and our products are used in a range of generators and synchronous motors, has helped us to reach this height. I also owe this award to my wife, R. Bhanumati, who is sitting here, who persuaded me to start my industry in 1998. In conclusion, I am sure with the collective efforts of all of us, with the shared vision and progress of self-reliance by GOI, it will propel our nation to achieve greater and greater heights. Together we can forge a future where innovation and sustainability and excellence would be the cornerstones of our progressive India. Thank you once again, Top Notch, for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Can we welcome Mr. Akash Agarwal, MD, and Mr. Vikas Agarwal, Joint MD.
Dr. Abdul Kalam, wow, true respect. It's really a privilege for us to be here. My name is Akash, that is Vikas, my brother, and we represent a company called Cisco Research Laboratories. Dr. Abdul Kalam's legacy, it inspires us deeply, and we are really proud to be part of this forum along with all of y'all. Ours is a legacy business, and we are manufacturers of chemicals and biochemicals. And we have created a legacy by supplying and supporting our scientist community since the last 50 years by taking Indian academia, Indian research labs, Indian pharmaceuticals along with us. Our founder's dream was to create world-class products, world-class chemical research products at a time where these used to be imported from countries like Japan and Germany. That's where our 50-year-old Make in India campaign truly began. And I can say now proudly that we have accomplished that dream, made it a reality, because now our world-class products are made right here in India, supporting the Indian scientific journey going forward.
Good evening, everyone. So we have a robust portfolio of, there are more than 200,000 scientific journals and white papers that touch more than 2 million scientists globally in more than 120 countries all over the world, advancing biotechnology and medical research. Our products can be found in the meccas of innovation worldwide. Through adversity, we've learned self-reliance and self-sufficiency, and are proud to contribute to the ongoing vaccine effort, especially that we saw during COVID. We were one of the front leading companies that helped make all the diagnostic kits, saving millions of lives. And what brings me through adversity is, I don't know if many of you know, but Dr. Abdul Kalam, he at the age of 10, he started selling newspapers. I'm not sure how many of you all know this, but it's really amazing how he transformed his own life and the life of all the Indians that we respect him for. So we were a person, and now we are a company. We're a very strong company. We will always be relentless in the pursuit of excellence. We are SRL, and our pursuit of science is endless. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Let's all welcome Mr. Sunny Nandavani, founder and CEO, AccuWare Consulting Private Limited.
I feel greatly privileged and full of gratitude to be part of this evening and accept this prestigious award. I represent a company called AccuWare Consulting Private Limited. We are an IT technology company which is known for its innovation in supply chain. Today we have a global presence in more than 7 countries. I would like to make a heartfelt thank you to all the organizer and esteemed jury member for this recognition. As I reflect today, so I have been following, I think, like many Indians, APJ Abdul Kalam ji, and have been following through his books. So this reminds me of a moment which involved our beloved Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. Kalam was attending a manufacturing company event in Tamil Nadu. What happened was that company was known for wet grinder, and knowing that Dr. Abdul Kalam, they gifted him grinder as a recognition of this thing. Then when he needed it at the home, but knowing Abdul Kalam and his principles, he actually decided to accept it as a gift, but he wrote a check as well of amount 4,850 in favor of the enterprise. That is there. Then one more incident I remember going through when he mentioned, like, excellence is a continuous process. It does not happen by an accident. So as a company, we are deeply inspired. In fact, we compete with self. Our even employee, we have a global employee base. Whole our performance evaluation happen where we say, like, what have you done compared to yourself? So that is how we do. So from this powerful story, there are a lot of takeaway. So thank you once again for this incredible honor. I share this with my team at AccuWare. Thank you so much, Team AccuWare. This belongs to you. And let's continue to be inspired and be inspired this evening. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Mr. Mudit Gupta, founder and CMD, MG Group. Can we all please welcome Mr. Gupta on the dais?
So it's been a long ride. My father originally was from the erstwhile Pakistan, and his journey started in 1969 when he moved to Mumbai. And in 1972, or 5 decades back, he started his real estate company called Vikas. So now we've expanded into hospitality, and we're making 5-star hotels and branded residences. So we'll be launching the first branded villas in India. And that's with the Ascot Group, Oakwood. And the project will be called Ivara.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sanju Sharma. I'm founder and MD of Radical Minds Group. I'll just give you a brief idea about our company. Radical Mind Technologies is a BPO and a contact center, which I have founded in 2010. Another company I have started in 2015 is a complete IT firm, where we work on AI, machine learning, artificial intelligence, product development, software development, and those things. We have presently around 6,000 plus employees on pan-India basis. I have started this company in 2010 with just 6 employees, and without any investor, without any partner. It's a self-funded company. On the technology front, as I was mentioning, that particular company is basically into software development, AI, machine learning, and all. We have developed our own solutions, which some of our major clients are like 60% of our traffic is on our own domain, on our own technology. This is how exactly we are growing. So we are thank you Top Notch giving us this opportunity to present and talk about our company and the group. Thank you very much. Thank you once again for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now invite Mr. Mahesh Patil.
We have reached significant milestones, earning recognitions and awards that reflect our dedication and hard work. Our expansion into new market strategic partnership highlights our relentless pursuit of excellence. One of our notable achievements is the development of Hires Gulf, an online job portal that uses artificial intelligence technology and robust engineering to support job seekers in finding their dream jobs and employers in finding suitable candidates. Our success is built on the dedication and passion of my incredible team, as well as the vision leadership of our chairman, Mr. Hamid Al-Karbi. Their combined efforts and commitment drive us forward every day. Looking ahead, we are committed to pushing the boundaries of innovation. We have exciting new projects in the pipeline that will solidify our leadership positions and continue to deliver value. I want to thank you, Top Notch Foundation, for this wonderful event, our team for their hard work, and our clients and stakeholders for their unwavering support. Thank you so much, and let us continue to strive for excellence. Thank you.
For the first decade, I tried to collect the data and presented this method in our national conferences and state conferences, and my colleagues encouraged me, and after that I got a chance to present this technique, operative technique, in Singapore Orthopedic Association in 2016, and well appreciated and received a second best paper award from there. I proceeded with my technique and development, is modifying the technique, and presented, got invitations from Chicago, USA, Birmingham, UK, and also Madrid, Spain, UAE, and Asia Pacific Orthopedic Association, and World Orthopedic Association, SICOT, for several times.
Provide these areas with new technology, train the cardiologists there so that these underprivileged areas can also avail the facilities which they have to otherwise migrate to a metropolitan city to take the treatment. and we are starting a chain of Modi Harvard cardiac institutes. You'll see in future. Now we have 3. In future, we may see 10, 11 of these types.
Member of Parliament and Indian lawyer. Mr. Yogendra Chandrolia ji, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha. Shri Shyam Jaju ji, ex-National Vice President of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. Pradesh Ratna Vidhayak, Padma Shri ji, Kripya Namaskar and Namaskar. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए सज्जनों. A round of applause is given as we like the ceremony and symbolically to moderate the prestigious award ceremony. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Inspiration Award 2024. Can you have a louder round of applause? Let's have some energy applause. सम्मानित मंच और यहाँ उपस्थित सभी डॉक्टर्स के चरणों में मेरा कोटि कोटि वंदन, क्योंकि कहते हैं अगर भगवान का कोई मानवीय रूप है तो वो डॉक्टर्स हैं। मुझे लगता है हम में से कोई भी होगा जो कहेगा कि कभी ना कभी ज़िंदगी में आपके किसी न किसी फ्रेटर्निटी मेंबर ने किसी न किसी की ज़िंदगी ज़रूर बचाई। आज टॉप नॉच फाउंडेशन को मैं बहुत आभार और अभिनंदन करती हूँ कि आपने समाज के एक ऐसे वॉरियर्स को सम्मान दिया है, उनको एक्नॉलेज करा है, उनको वैलिडेट करा है। मैं जानती हूँ कि आप लोग हमेशा बहुत कर्मठता से अपने काम में जुटे रहते हैं, लेकिन आई थिंक अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ वैलिडेशन गोज़ अ वेरी लॉन्ग वे। ये वो वाली बात है कि जब आप बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, लेकिन इफ़ यू गेट अ पैट ऑन योर बैक एंड समवन सेज वेल डन, देन यस। लेकिन एक समा है जिसमें मुझे लगता है कि पूरा का पूरा राष्ट्र आपके और आपके फ्रेटर्निटी के प्रति कृतज्ञता ज्ञापित करते थकता नहीं है, और वो है कोरोना काल। कोरोना काल में आप वाकई साक्षात भगवान का रूप बनकर अवतरित हुए थे भारत में। उस वक्त हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स, डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेज, एसेंशियल सर्विसमैन एक ने मुझे लगता है दैविक भूमिका निभाई थी, और उसके लिए एक कृतज्ञ राष्ट्र की तरफ से, हम सब की तरफ से आप सभी को बहुत बहुत आभार और बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन। आज जितने भी अवॉर्डीज़ हैं, आई नो दैट यू आर ट्रेल ब्लेजर्स इन योर ओन राइट। इससे पहले डॉक्टर साहब मुझे बता, जिनका हम लोग उद्बोधन सुन रहे थे, इंटरवेंशनल कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट इन भटिंडा। देखिए, बीमारी ये नहीं देख कर आती कि आप एक महानगर में हैं या आप एक छोटे शहर में हैं, गली में हैं, कस्बे में हैं या गांव में हैं। मुझे ये देख के बहुत खुशी हुई कि हमारे दैविक रूपी डॉक्टर्स हर जगह उतनी ही मेहनत कर रहे हैं जितने कि बड़े बड़े शहरों में। वंस अगेन many congratulations and thank you for your service to the country.
आदरणीय दीदी, हमारी लोकप्रिय सांसद बांसुरी सुराज जी को एक जरूरी विशेष पार्टी संगठन के काम की वजह से जाना पड़ रहा है, और आप देख रहे हो उस समय से पहले हमारी दीदी यहाँ पहुँची है। मैं आदरणीय श्याम जाजू जी से, जो हमारे वरिष्ठ नेता हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के, आदरणीय रघुराज सिंह जी से, आदरणीय हमारे सांसद जी से, आदरणीय श्री अभिषेक वर्मा जी से मैं निवेदन करूँगा कि दीदी को मैं आप सब लोगों से एक निवेदन करूँगा, एक जोरदार तालियां।
भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
जब भी हम भारत रत्न डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम साहब का नाम स्मरण करते हैं तो दिल राष्ट्रभक्ति और राष्ट्र प्रेम के अथाह भावनाओं से भर जाता है। यह भारतवर्ष के लिए गौरव का विषय है कि डॉक्टर कलाम जैसे युग पुरुष इस धारा पर जन्म लिया। जैसे कि हम जानते हैं उन्हें मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया भी कहा जाता है और दुनिया में भारत की प्रतिष्ठा स्थापित करने में उनके नेतृत्व में हुए पोखरण द्वितीय परमाणु परीक्षण का विशेष स्थान है। उनका जीवन एक आदर्श है और उनकी कहानी यह बताती है कि यदि अपने सपने बड़े हो और उनको पूरा करने का संकल्प हो तो व्यक्ति अपने मातृभूमि के लिए बड़ा से बड़ा गौरव प्राप्त कर सकता है।
भारत माता की, भारत माता की। जितने लोग ऑडिटोरियम में बैठे हुए हैं, मैं सब लोगों से एक विनम्र निवेदन करूंगा कि एटलीस्ट उतनी आवाज़ तो आनी चाहिए। भारत माता की जय कहने में हमें कैसी पीड़ा। भारत माता की जय का नारा तो हम बोल सकते हैं ना, इसी देश में रहते हैं, इसी देश का खाते हैं, इसी देश का पीते हैं। तो आप सब लोगों से करबद्ध निवेदन करूंगा, एक बार जोरदार तरीके से भारत माता की जय का नारा एक साथ आप सब लोग बोलें। भारत माता की, भारत माता की। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आप सभी लोगों का दिल की अनंत गहराइयों से बारंबार प्रणाम करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं। यहाँ मंच पर मौजूद बतौर मुख्य अतिथि के तौर पे पधारे आदरणीय श्री सतीश दुबे जी, जो कि हमारे केंद्रीय मंत्री हैं भारत सरकार में। मैं सर आपका स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता, मेरे बड़े भाई, हमेशा मुझे मार्गदर्शन करने वाले आदरणीय श्री श्याम जाजू जी, मैं आपका भी सर स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। भारत सरकार में रेलवे बोर्ड के सदस्य और भारत सरकार के अंदर गृह मंत्रालय के, जो कि बहुत महत्वपूर्ण मंत्रालय है, उसके सदस्य मेरे पिता तुल्य आदरणीय श्री रमेश चंद्र रत्न जी, सर मैं आपका भी स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। यहाँ कार्यक्रम में मौजूद मेरे बड़े भाई, जो कि हमेशा से मुझे आगे बढ़कर मेरे लिए हमेशा से तैयार रह के हमेशा से मदद करने का काम किया है, हमेशा मुझे आगे बढ़ाने का काम किया है, आदरणीय श्री अभिषेक वर्मा जी, सर मैं आपका भी स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। लीजेंड अभिनेत्री और लोकप्रिय सांसद आदरणीय श्रीमती हेमा मालिनी जी, मैम आपका भी हम स्वागत करते हैं, अभिनंदन करते हैं। राज्यसभा के लोकप्रिय सांसद श्री बाबूराम निषाद जी, सर मैं आपका भी स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। पटेल नगर दिल्ली के लोकप्रिय विधायक, मेरे भाई, बहुत जल्दी विधायक होने जा रहे हैं, मेरे भाई हैं प्रवेश रत्न जी, सर मैं आपका भी स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। इस कार्यक्रम में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाने वाले, जो कि हमेशा से एक ताकत के रूप में काम किया है, जिनका नाम मुझे पहले लेना चाहिए लेकिन मैंने लास्ट में इसलिए क्योंकि हमेशा मेरे लिए खड़े रहते हैं, आदरणीय श्री रघुराज सिंह जी, सर मैं जोरदार आपका भी स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। ये हमारे पिलर हैं जो हमेशा से हमें मार्गदर्शन करते हैं। आप सभी लोगों का मैं दिल की अनंत गहराइयों से स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं कि आप यहाँ इस कार्यक्रम में पधारे। मैं निवेदन करूंगा मैम, आप आगे सुचारू रूप से कार्यक्रम आगे बढ़ाया जाए।
Thank you very much, Mr. Vinay. I also request you to please present flowers to Miss Hema Malini ji. फूलों से कृपया स्वागत कीजिए श्रीमती हेमा मालिनी जी का। Can we have the flowers, please? A huge round of applause for Miss Hema Malini, legendary Bollywood actress and member of Parliament. I also request Mr. Vinay to please welcome Mr. Abhishek Verma. Mr. Abhishek Verma with flowers, Chairman Skanda Automix. A very warm welcome to you, sir. And once again, a very warm and hearty welcome to all our esteemed dignitaries present on the days. Before we start the award ceremony, I request Mr. Joshan Ranjit to please join us on stage and present books. Once again, a very warm welcome to you, ma'am. A hearty welcome to you. Requesting Mr. Joshan Ranjit to please quickly join us on stage and present the books to our esteemed dignitaries. Mr. Joshan Ranjit, kindly hold the book in your hands and unveil the book Metamorphosis. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Lost into the Transformation by Mr. Joshan Ranjit. The book is being unveiled in the hands of our esteemed dignitaries. Thank you very much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let's kickstart the much-awaited award ceremony, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Inspiration Awards 2024. I request our esteemed dignitaries, the Honorable Minister Shri Satish Chandra Dubey ji, Ms. Hema Malini ji, and Mr. Abhishek Verma ji to please step forward for the award ceremony. I request our esteemed dignitaries to please step forward for the award ceremony. Honorable Minister Shri Satish Chandra Dubey ji, Ms. Hema Malini ji, Mr. Abhishek Verma ji to please step forward for the award ceremony. Our first felicitation is for the guest of honor, and it goes to Dr. Anil Kumar. Dr. Upkar Kansal, Managing Director, UK German Pharmaceuticals. Dr. Rohit Modi, Director Cardiology at Modi Heart Institute and Research Center, is being felicitated as guest of honor. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Global Innovative Healthcare Personality of the Year goes to Dr. Chandrasekhar Reddy Chedabavi. Up next, Mr. Mahesh Patil, Most Inspiring Youth Business Leader of the Year. Mr. Mahesh Patil. Our next award is Luxury Resort Developer 2023, and it goes to Mr. Mudit Gupta, Founder and CMD, MG Group. Most Inspiring Woman Change Maker of the Year, and it goes to Ms. Megha Chaudhary, Managing Director, BLC Holdings Private Limited. Next, Best Brand for Manufacturing Incense Sticks, Dhoop Sticks and Dhoop Cones, and it goes to Srinivas Kandhare, AMG LLP. Mr. K.S. Balakrishna Shetty, Designated Partner, to please join us on stage. Up next, Best University in Agriculture and Technology in India goes to Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology. Professor Dayanidhi Mishra, Director Planning, Monitoring and Evaluation, to please be on stage. Next category is Most Trusted Multi-Speciality Cancer Care Hospital in Bangladesh, and it goes to Labad Cancer Hospital and Super Speciality Center. Mr. Satish Tamim, Managing Director, Labad Cancer Hospital. Most Trusted Internationally Renowned Innovative Orthopedic Surgeon for Low-Cost Fracture Treatment from Rural India goes to Dr. Anil Kumar Vidyadharan. And our next category is Gold Standard Brand in Molecular Biochemicals and Research Chemicals goes to Cisco Research Laboratories Private Limited. Mr. Akash Agarwal, MD, and Mr. Vikas Agarwal joined MD to please be on stage. India's most trusted manufacturer and supplier of excitation systems for alternators and synchronous motors goes to Satellite Excitation System Private Limited. Mr. H. Shankar Raman, Managing Director, and Mrs. R. Bhanuvati, Director, to please be on stage.
Leadership Excellence Company of the Year goes to Infinitec Vision Software Limited. Khushbu Chandukar, Director of HR and People First, to please be on stage. Most innovative orthopedic and full endoscopic spine surgeon of the year goes to Dr. Suresh Ramasamy. Most trusted facial plastic and facial cosmetic surgeon in India goes to Dr. Sapna Vadera. Our next award is Most Iconic Healthcare Leader of the Year, and it goes to Mr. Hakeem Khurshid Murad and Dr. Amit Murad, Dr. Sabeen Hassan. Yashpal Jain from Sandhar Technologies Limited. Mr. Yashpal Jain. Most trusted polymer solution provider in India goes to All Around Polymer LLP. Mr. Omkar Rai, Managing Partner, please be on stage. Most innovative platform for all types of education in India goes to Priyadarshini Group of Schools. Dr. Rajendra Indra Raman, Singh, Managing Trustee, please be on stage. Best University for Excellence in Transformative Education goes to Atmiya University. Dr. D.D. Vyas, Registrar, and Dr. Hiren Kavatia, Assistant Registrar, to please be on stage. आइए मंच पर स्वागत करें डॉक्टर ठाकुर रघुराज सिंह जी का, और उनसे निवेदन है कि वे कृपया अपने विचार साझा करें।
ये कार्यक्रम बड़ा ओजस्वी और तेजस्वी है और हर व्यक्ति अपनी अपनी सब्जेक्ट का एक लीडर है। कोई डॉक्टर है, कोई उद्योगपति है, जैसे मुझे बताया। तो बंधुओं, आज आप लोग सम्मानित होने जा रहे हैं। कुछ लोग सम्मानित हो भी गए, शायद लेके अवार्ड जाने भी लगे। मैंने कई बार सुझाव भी दिया है कि मैंने कि सम्मान जो है बाद में दिया जाना चाहिए। होता क्या है, सम्मान लेके फिर आदमी 1-2-11 हो जाता है। बंधुओं, मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहूंगा, बहुत विद्वान लोग बैठे हुए हैं, विद्वान लोगों की सभा है। सबसे पहले विश्व का सर्जन कौन हुआ? कोई बताएगा? नीचे बैठे हुए लोग कोई बताएगा? विश्व का प्रथम सर्जन कौन है? बताएं कोई, क्योंकि आप कोई डॉक्टर हैं, बड़े बड़े विख्यात हैं, इसलिए मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, विश्व का सबसे पहला सर्जन कौन है? विश्व का नहीं पता। भगवान से अब पूछिए कैसे? गणेश जी की हाथी का सिर लगाया था कि नहीं? लेकिन हम क्या कहते हैं, ऑक्सफोर्ड से पढ़ के आए, अमेरिका से पढ़ के आए। मुझे बड़ी शर्म लगती है जो इंग्लिश का भाषण देते हैं, क्योंकि इंग्लिश जो गुलामी की लैंग्वेज है, अपनी भाषा में बोलना चाहिए हमेशा। मैं दुबई में गया हूं तो अपनी भाषा में बोला हूं, और मैंने जाके बोला है G20 की मीटिंग में। तो इसलिए बंधुओं, अपनी भाषा पे गर्व होना चाहिए। और जो देश अपनी भाषा पे, अपनी संस्कृति पे गर्व नहीं करता, तो वो नीचे रसातल में जाता है। यदि धरातल से ऊंचा आकाश की ओर जाना है तो अपनी संस्कृति को जरूर अपनाएं, जहां भी जाएं। मेरा नम्र निवेदन है, जो बिल्कुल हिंदी नहीं बोल सकता, क्योंकि देखिए अंग्रेजी के शब्द 26 है, टूटी फूटी लैंग्वेज, सबसे बुरी लैंग्वेज है तो अंग्रेजी है। वो इसलिए है कि 64 अक्षर संस्कृत के, 56 अक्षर अंग्रेजी के और 48 अक्षर है महाराष्ट्रियन लैंग्वेज के, मराठी के। तो बाकी सारी लैंग्वेज सब टूटी फूटी लैंग्वेज है। तो इसलिए मेरा आप सभी से कहने का मेरा आग्रह है कि भारतीय लैंग्वेज जो है, हम अपनी हिंदी को प्रबलता के आधार पे हम बोलेंगे तो देश में नहीं, विश्व में नंबर 1 का हिंदुस्तान होगा।
Most trusted multi-speciality hospital in North India goes to Akash Healthcare. Dr. Pallavi, digital marketing head. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award 2024 for Business Strategy and Inspirational Leadership goes to Mr. Shaunak J. Dave. Most trusted manufacturer of solar and wind turbine of the year 2024 goes to iSert Energy Research Private Limited. Mr. Rakesh Biswas and Mrs. Aarti Trivedi, directors, to be on stage. Leading innovative IT solution provider of the year goes to AccuWare Consulting Private Limited. Mr. Sunny Nandwani, founder and CEO. Most dynamic educationist in India goes to Mr. Rahul Jain. Dr. Rahul Kakkad, most trusted diabetologist and mental health expert. Up next is most inspiring author of the year, Dr. Josen Ranjit. Outstanding contribution in international trade and nation building goes to Ankita Overseas. Dr. Anil Kumar Kulbir Singh Malik ji, please come and receive this prestigious award. Our next felicitation is guest of honor and it goes to Mr. Rupam Sharma ji. Up next is most inspiring leader of the year, waterproofing industries goes to Mr. Maulik Choksi. Lifetime Achievement Award for Distinguished Service to the Nation goes to Commander Alok Mohan. Up next is Best Shopping Center of the Country in Business and Architecture. It goes to Phoenix Palacio. Mr. Sanjeev Sareen, Senior Center Director, North. Up next is Best Skin Care Clinic in Delhi NCR. It goes to Avya Skin Clinic. Dr. Manan Mehta, Senior Consultant Dermatologist and Director, to please join us on stage. Fastest growing personal and home care brand hubs in India goes to Hamilton Sciences Private Limited. Mr. Saurabh Gupta, MD and CEO, HSPL. Up next is Best Emerging Leader of the Year goes to Mr. Advait Asokan Bala, Executive Director, ST Mediford. Most innovative educationist, Mr. Arimanda Siddharth Reddy. India's most trusted chain of top education institutions of the year, Narayana Education Institutions, Ms. Sharini, CEO. Youth Advocate for Legal Education of the Year goes to Mr. Pavan Rele, Advocate on Record, Supreme Court of India. Most Promising Neurosurgeon in Delhi NCR goes to Dr. Deepak Washne. Most Trusted Website and Mobile Application Development Company of the Year, Aquila Tech Solutions, Mr. Manish Singh. Most Innovative BPO Service Provider of the Year, Radical Minds Technologies Private Limited, Sanju Sharma, Group Chairman and MD, and Stuti Gaikwad, Co-Founder and Executive Director. Leading manufacturer of public address voice evacuation system in India goes to Heinrich Corporate India Private Limited, Dr. Jitendra Singh, Managing Director, Heinrich Limited. And I announce the upcoming award, which is most renowned diagnostic chain of the year, Manipal Trust. Manipal Trust. Digital Cancer Care Exceptional Excellence goes to Colonel Dr. Sunil Jain. Innovation in Automotive Electronics in India goes to Eptron Technologies Private Limited, Mr. Abhishek Nagpal. Up next, most trusted quality manufacturing herbal cosmetic products in India goes to Herpage Herbal, Divya Ranjan Das, President and CEO. Most Innovative Design Firm of the Year goes to Santok LLP, Mr. Pramod Sinha, CEO. We now thank Dr. Thakur Raghuram Singh by presenting him a token and a shawl. आइए जोरदार तालियों से धन्यवाद करें डॉक्टर ठाकुर रघुराज सिंह जी का। आज के कार्यक्रम की शोभा में उपस्थिति से बढ़ाने के लिए आपका हार्दिक धन्यवाद। We all thank Dr. Thakur Raghuram Singh ji for joining us for this award ceremony. Pioneer Real Estate Company for Residential L&D Development Property to Gujarat goes to Yashvi Construction, Mr. Jitendra Shah. Most inspiring executive coach in India, Ms. Gauri S. Ramani. plants manufacturer in India, Shagun Care, Mr. Deepak Gupta. Best Web Development Company in India 2024 goes to Ogen Infosystems, Mr. Abhijit Jha and Ms. Ankita Jha. Most inspiring women leader in pharmaceutical industry, Ms. Sumita Mohapatra Pani. Best Innovative Courses Skill Development and Training Organization goes to Indian Institute of Skill Development Training, Mr. Rahul Sharma, Director. National Award for Distinguished Social Welfare Service goes to Mr. Rit Mohan. Most Inspiring Healer and Entrepreneur of the Year goes to Resham Kamboj. Outstanding contribution in nation building goes to J. Joshi Infra Projects Private Limited, Mr. Jignesh Joshi. Most Inspiring Youth Icon of the Year goes to Mr. Ankur Das Gupta. Most Inspiring Radiologist and Womanpreneur of the Year goes to Dr. Meenal Chaudhary. Most Trusted Gynecologist Obstetrician in Delhi NCR goes to Dr. Shweta Mehendi Ratta. Best HR Services Firm in India goes to PMFS Enterprise LLP, Mr. Vinay Singh, Director. Most Trusted Travel Agency and Best Car Rental Service Provider in Tripura goes to Nil Jyoti Travel Agency, Mr. Sanjeev Acharji. Most Iconic Leader of the Year Oil and Gas Industries, Mr. Santosh Gupte. Promising Physician of the Year, Dr. Ravi Kumar Nimala. Most Promising Neurosurgeon of the Year, Dr. Arun Kumar Padmabhuni. India's Best True Interlining Manufacturer with Quality Excellence of the Year, Mr. Rohit Dhingra from Dhingra True Interlining Private Limited. Best Manufacturer of Dust Collection System, goes to Jagdamba Engineers Project Private Limited, Mr. Ajay Kumar Mahadeo Karande, Director, Jagdamba Engineers Project Private Limited. Best Dietitian in India, Dietitian Natasha Mohan. Best School of the Year, Prince Academy, Dr. Piyush Sundar, Chairman, Prince Academy. Most trusted astrologer in India, Dr. Sandeep Kochar. Most emerging home appliance brand of the year, Nerco Home Appliances, Mr. Varun Kumar. Most trusted multi super specialty hospital in Kerala goes to Sri Uttradhom Renal Hospital, Colonel Rajiv Anand. Most innovative recruitment consultant in the field of infrastructure, power and manufacturing industry of the year goes to ASCO Consultancy Services, Mr. Ankur Raj Varshney. Best Renewable Energy Company of the Year, Dash Technologies Private Limited, Mr. Manjunath Reddy, Founder and MD. Astrologer, Best Astrologer in Rajasthan, Astrologer Pandit Purushottam Gaur. Most trusted multi-speciality hospital in Hyderabad goes to Pran Hita Hospital, Dr. C. Rahul Reddy, Chinnamari. Best private university in India, ISBM University, Ms. Ritika Bisht, representative of ISBMU Chancellor. Transformational leader, Mr. Jayant Gundevar. Most promising oral and maxillofacial surgeon in Uttar Pradesh goes to Dr. Himanshu Upadhyay. Dr. Himanshu Upadhyay. Most trusted real estate company in Delhi NCR goes to Gitanjali Home Estate Private Limited, Ms. Tina Fogart. Most innovative robotic bariatric surgeon of India goes to Dr. Ganesh Gaudhi. India's most trusted medical equipment and specialized laser company of the year goes to IMDSL India, Dr. Shikha Tripathi, Group Product Manager. A complete IT solution services provider brand in India goes to Army Group, Mr. Nirmala Banerjee. Young Medical Entrepreneur of the Year, Dr. Aditya SP. Best Manufacturing Company of the Year, Flexi Seating System Private Limited, Mr. Match Vikram Gupta, Founder and Director. Dynamic Women Entrepreneur in Vidya R. Best e-commerce workplace for God dresses and accessories, Hriday Craft Private Limited, Mr. Deepak Verma and Gaurav Verma. Most trusted rice brand of the year, Kuber Agro Oscar Basmati Rice, Mr. Tushar Saraf, Mr. Arpit Saraf. Most trusted IVF specialist in North India goes to Dr. Sangeeta Sharma. Most versatile business transformation leader of the year, Mr. Yashpal Jain. Best commercial kitchen equipment provider company of the year, Kumar Equipment India Private Limited, Mr. Rajesh Kumar. Most emerging young entrepreneur of the year, Mr. Sushim Rahul Gaikwad from Paras Jayesh Shah. Most renowned eye specialist for spreading diabetic blindness awareness in Delhi, Dr. Kirti Rani. Most influential HR professional of the year, Mr. Prabhakar Azad. Best Embedded System Training Institute with excellent placement record in India, Colonel Masters, Mr. Bodhu Kishore Kumar, founder and director. Best Iconic Personality of the Year, Mr. Sanjay Malik. Most Trusted Infrastructure Development Company in India, Acumen Consultant and Contractor, Mr. Brajesh Yadav. Best Orthopedic Surgeon, Dr. Sanjay Singh. We now celebrate Ms. Nicoletta. Can we have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? We now request DARC representative to please join us on stage. Representative from DARC. I now request Vinay Chaudhary ji to please present a token of respect to Hema Malini ji. Requesting Vinay Chaudhary ji to please present a token of gratitude to Hema Malini ji. The entire Top Notch Foundation team is here. the people behind this event. Can we have a round of applause for the top-notch foundation team, the team behind this prestigious event, those who worked day and night to make this day, this event, this ceremony possible. We now thank Abhishek Verma ji and Enka Verma ji to please join us as well on stage. Requesting Vinay Chaudhary ji and Karan ji to please present a token of gratitude to Abhishek Verma ji. Meanwhile, we request Enka Verma ji to please also join us on stage. We'll now felicitate and thank Enka Verma ji for her gracious presence. We once again thank all our esteemed dignitaries for joining us for this ceremony. We thank all our awardees. With this, we come to an end of the ceremony. Thank you so much for your participation and support, and wish you a great evening ahead.